Most money advice is useless. Not wrong, exactly. Just useless. Because it tells you what to do without ever telling you why it works. So you skip the latte, you feel virtuous, and 3 years later, nothing has changed. Today, I want to give you the handful of tips that actually move the needle. And more importantly, the mechanism underneath each one, so you can't unsee it. Here's the first one, and it sounds boring until you understand it. Pay yourself first. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month, and the end of the month is exactly where money goes to die. There's never anything left. So flip it. The day your paycheck lands, an automatic transfer pulls money into savings before you can touch it. You're not relying on willpower. You're removing the decision entirely. This one tip isn't about discipline. It's about never needing discipline in the first place. Now the big one, the one everything else sits on top of. The gap. Not your income, not your spending. The gap between them. Someone earning $40,000 who spends $30,000 has a wider gap than someone earning $200,000 who spends $190,000. And the gap is the only fuel investing has to burn. Here's the trap, and it has a name. Lifestyle inflation. Every time your income rises, there's a quiet gravitational pull for your spending to rise right behind it. The raise comes, the nicer car comes, and within a year, the nicer car just feels like your car. The thrill is gone, but the payment stays. Researchers call it the hedonic treadmill. The fix isn't earning more. It's having the nerve to let the gap stay open long enough for compounding to walk through it. Tip 3 feels defensive, but it's secretly an offensive move. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting in a separate high-yield account, boring and untouched. People think this is about the money. It isn't. It's about what it removes. When you have a cushion, a flat tire is a Tuesday, not a crisis. A surprise bill is an annoyance, not a spiral into credit card debt at 22%. You stop making desperate short-term decisions because you're no longer one bad week from the edge. The emergency fund doesn't add a luxury. It subtracts a fear. Speaking of 22%, tip 4. Not all debt is equal, and the math here is brutal in your favor if you respect it. A mortgage at 4% is a tool. A credit card at 22% is a fire. Every dollar you throw at that card is a guaranteed 22% return, tax-free, something no investment can promise you. So use the avalanche. Pay the minimum on everything, then attack the highest interest rate first with everything you've got. When it's gone, roll that whole payment into the next one. You're not just paying off debt. You're shutting off a pump that was quietly draining your future. Tip 5 is where the gap finally goes to work. Take the money you're saving and put it on autopilot. A low-cost index fund, bought automatically every single month, no matter what the market is doing. This is the part people overcomplicate. You don't need to pick the winner. You need to own everything and let time do the heavy lifting. $100 a month at 8% is around $18,000 in 10 years. And most of that isn't your money, it's your money's money. That's compounding. The moment your dollars start earning their own paycheck. Here's the one nobody tells you. Every raise is a test. The money is asking a question. Are you going to invest me or absorb me? Most people absorb every raise into a bigger lifestyle and wonder why $30,000 more a year didn't change anything. Try this instead. Split every raise. The day it hits, send at least half of it straight to investing before your spending ever sees it. You still get to enjoy life more. You just let your wealth grow faster than your wants. Do this for a decade and the gap doesn't just stay open. It widens on its own. Last one, and it's the quiet one. Protect your attention. The financial world is engineered to sell you action. The hot stock, the new coin, the app that pings you to trade. But wealth is overwhelmingly boring. It's the same index fund, the same automatic transfer, the same gap, repeated for years while nothing exciting happens. The people who win aren't the ones who do the most. They're the ones who can sit still while their plan compounds and ignore the noise designed to pull them off it. So notice the pattern. None of these tips are about being smarter than the market or earning some impossible salary. They're about building a machine, automatic savings, a protected gap, money invested on autopilot, and then having the patience to leave it alone. You don't need all 7 today. Pick one, start this week, and let it compound. Small, boring, consistent moves are how ordinary people quietly get rich. Your future self is already counting on it.